Emmaline, my name is Cherie from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our 1998 Honda CRV. Right now, it's going through our award-winning service department. The vehicle will be ready to be seen later on today. You can come in anytime after 4:30, 5 o'clock and take it for a test drive. Please give me a call back at 205-380-6250. Again, the phone number here is 205-380-6250. We're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway, Hoover, Alabama, right across from Wells Fargo Bank. My name again is Cherie. The phone number here again is 205-380-6250. The award-winning service department is taking really great care of that 1998 Honda CRV. So please give me a call or come by and see me. And remember, here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it. See you soon.